I'm Jim Briar. I had double total knee replacement 1 year ago with Dr. Campbell, and my knees have been amazing. Back when I was a teenager, I ripped out both my ACLs and never had them replaced. Many years later, my knees were to the point I could hardly walk. I tried running and biking and I got away with it for many years, but it's gotten to the point where I could not stand the pain anymore. The braces, the exercise, the ointments, and all the other stuff I used just weren't doing nothing anymore. And I couldn't hardly run, I could hardly walk. I had to use a cart to go through Walmart. I live 75 miles north of Appleton, and with the surgery and all, you're a little concerned about traveling that far, but they are the closest people to my home that does the robotic surgery, and everything I read about it had me believing that it would be far worth the traveling. It's so precise that there's really not too much room for error. My first visit with Dr. Campbell, he left me reassured that everything was going to be okay, and I went ahead with the surgery. I was taken well care of afterwards, and they kept track of me. And today, 2 half marathons already, a couple 5Ks, and it's working very well. I feel totally confident because my legs just feel so good now. OSI did a very good job. I'm happy with everything they did.